Hi everyone, welcome to our first recording of the back 40 feet. It is February 29th, 2020, happy leap year. And this may seem like a strange time to start talking about gardening, but this video is going to be all about suburban, urban, and patio gardening. So it is a cold day, just above freezing here in New England, and the ground is still frozen. But this definitely signs that tell me that it's early spring and it's the end of late winter. The first thing that tells me that is if I look here behind me, I can see that the snowdrops have started to come through the soil, and there are daffodils that are starting to emerge as well. And I can start to see some tulips as well coming through. So that's telling me that we're probably going to be able to have an early spring and that the ground is starting to get warm, and we did have a mild winter. This is a little bit easier to predict than having to rely on a groundhog. But the other thing that is telling me we might have an early spring is that just this weekend the grackles and the red-winged blackbirds have returned to our backyard feeders. Those are migratory birds, and they usually show up just a little bit before the robins, and that's telling me that we have now entered early spring, and now's the time to start planting our garden.